Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a turkey fan plaque. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need a preserved turkey fan, a sturdy wooden plaque, and a reliable adhesive like epoxy. Don't forget a sharp knife for trimming, a drill with small bits, and a few small screws. Having wood stain or paint on hand allows for a custom plaque design. Make sure everything is clean and prepared before we begin the fun assembly process. Now, let's prepare your turkey fan for mounting. Begin by carefully trimming away any remaining flesh and fat from the fan's base using a sharp knife. This step is crucial for proper preservation. Next, generously apply borax or non-iodized salt to the entire base of the fan. This helps dry and preserve the tissue. Allow the fan to dry completely for at least 2 to 3 weeks in a cool, dry location, ensuring the feathers are spread nicely. With your fan fully dried, it's time to mount it to the plaque. First, carefully position the fan on the plaque to determine its ideal placement. Use a pencil to mark where you'll drill pilot holes through the fan's base and into the wood. Drill these small holes, then apply a strong adhesive, like epoxy, to the fan's base. Finally, secure the fan firmly with 2 or 3 small screws, ensuring a lasting hold. For the finishing touches, you can attach the turkey beard and spurs below the fan using a strong adhesive or small wire. This adds a complete look to your trophy. Consider personalizing your plaque further with an engraved plate featuring details like the date or location. Finally, apply a clear protective finish to the entire plaque to ensure its longevity. Now, your beautiful handcrafted turkey fan plaque is ready to be proudly displayed on your wall.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.